All right, queens, we're gonna unpackage this next one together, and it is pretty big, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it down here. I showed you guys this product in my Amazon Prime Day wig deals video. If you guys missed it, even though Prime Day is over, some of those wigs are really affordable, so definitely I will link in the description. But this is something that I told you guys I bought, and I'm so excited. So you guys, I recently got my hair blown out and I wanted to be able to maintain that style at home. So I picked up this flat iron that is highly recommended, and I am so excited to try it. Y'all, this flat iron did my hair so good, okay? I was shocked. My hair is super thick, you guys. I'm talking about super duper thick. But this right here, it got my hair right. So I ordered one from Amazon to show you guys. So this is how it comes packaged. It came very secure, bubble stuff in there, you know, to keep it from getting damaged. And I also had plastic wrap over this. So this is the container. And this is the BABYLISS Pro Nano Titanium Flat Iron. It is supposed to be stainless steel, lightweight, and deliver highly efficient heat transfer. Okay, it goes up to 465 degrees. And girl, my hair was looking good. Okay, and I am so excited to have this in my hair tools collection. Okay, so I got the 1 1/4 inch. They do have the smaller size if your hair is shorter and you want to maintain it like that. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So this is what you get when you open it up. It has oh, they have a dryer and oh my gosh. Okay, so on the back it's showing me their other products. They have a dryer, a curling iron, and a cold brush. But anyways, back to what we got. So this is what the flat iron looks like. Very nice, very quality. This was the bigger size that I picked up because my hair is pretty long. It's a bob now, but my hair grows really fast, and it has been, before I cut it, it was like shoulder, no, it was past shoulder length. It was like almost mid-back. I cut it literally to like 1 inch. That was 1 year ago, and now it's all the way back to shoulder length. So it grows really fast, you guys. So let's go ahead and take it out and see what it's working with. All right, this is what it looks like. Y'all, I've heard such good things about this flat iron. I've seen it in action, okay? And I'm so excited to have me one. So I will link this in the description. It is already linked in my Amazon storefront. You guys, I am so happy to have a quality flat iron. I was the type of girl who would always get, like, you know, just the cheaper flat irons and just make it work. But if I get my hair blown out and I pay for it, I want to be able to maintain it, okay? For as long as I want to maintain it. And this is going to help me do that. So I'm so happy about this buy. Oh, I'm so happy.